What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm about to link up with the homie Ryan. We're going to be working on the fog light, getting that replaced. I'm not sure if it's going to have the same brightness as the other one. If not, we might be replacing both of them so they match, because I do have two. Definitely shout out to the homie Pierre for sending that over. It's crazy that it took this long, but finally gonna get to it. Also, I'm gonna stop by the storage unit and grab the big brakes for the homie Ryan. So he'll probably be working on getting that set up for his car. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on over there. Had to park a little further away than I usually do, but at least I ain't over in the woods. Gotta worry about a whole bunch of pollen. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really debating on getting these other wheels done. I think I might show footage of those wheels because it actually has been a little over a year since when I actually got them, and I haven't done anything with them. So I'll go ahead and show you guys when we get to the storage unit. Okay, so yeah, I'm not gonna pull all that out just to show that. Okay, so I'll just do a little review here. So that's one of the set here. My stocks, took one of them out already. Spare Maxima wheel, I believe. And then the old wheels that the homie Ryan had are there. So I'm not touching these right now, but I'm thinking about switching them. I don't know if I want to do black, white, or some wild color. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, so you see where we at. If the audio is bad, I do apologize. I actually forgot my camera at the storage unit, so I'm gonna have to get that tomorrow. So I'm on the phone. But yeah, just forgot to pick up or start recording. Wasn't sure if I was going to or not. But you know the homie works fast. Already got it replaced. And got the big brake kit here. So one of the bulbs we had an issue with doing the replacement. So instead of just having it where we're running the bulb that came with the replacement, he had a few laying around, so switched out that one. But the problem was that one was a lot brighter than the last fit one. So now he's going to do the other side and swap that as well. I think the quality on this might be a little better than my camera, but then again, I don't really record on 4K on the camera, even though I can. But recording on 4K on the phone. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'm not sure how this is gonna sound. Alright, so got the camera. Apparently I forgot it here at the storage unit. But yeah, the fog lights turned out pretty good. Looks good, real bright. Not really the best to show how bright it is now, but the bulb did need to be replaced. Alright, so I definitely apologize for this video being so short. I actually, like I said, I forgot my camera at the storage unit, and it wasn't enough time to go get it. Plus, it was pretty late by the time I realized that I forgot it. So do apologize for that, but I'll be going over the actual lights that I have installed, kind of showing how they look at night and everything. I'll be doing it in a later video, most likely. I don't know. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna try to put some footage in there because I'm not gonna do this video today because usually weekends don't do too well. So I'll post it tomorrow. So I should have some footage in there, and I'll insert it here. Alright, so I almost didn't add this to the video because As you can see, it's been raining, but luckily it stopped long enough so I can get this. Yeah, it's kind of crazy bright. But they are the same ones. The housing and everything for the one on this side is brand new. It definitely looks like that one is brighter, but that could be. It only looks like that on the video. It doesn't look like that in person. So, but yeah, just want to make sure I got that added for you. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. The fog lights for the last fit. The only thing that was wrong was the one that was exposed to the elements. Let's see, better. That one actually went out, of course, because it was exposed and open. And I replaced the other one just so the two would match. That's really it. So yeah, but the last fit did great. I think I had them on for about 2 years, and if I would have still been running them if it didn't have an issue with that one fog light, housing being broken and everything. But yeah, I do like to thank you all for tuning in. But before we end it, let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. And the comment of the day goes out to and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. Who knows, you could be selected next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.